Today we will learn about backup and restore in Jenkins. How to take backup and how to restore the jobs and plugins. So manage Jenkins, and you have to install one plugin. That plugin name is Thin Backup. THIN Thin Backup. Okay, click on this, install. So Thin Backup installation is done. We will restart the Jenkins. Click on this. So Thin Backup plugin installation is successful. Let's log in. To go for manage Jenkins, and you can see here, go down. So once the Thin Backup is installed successfully, you can see the Thin Backup plugin here. Sorry, cd/var lib Jenkins. So this is the Jenkins home directory. It contains all the important files. Okay, jobs also you can see here, and logs. This is a very much an important home directory for Jenkins. If anything is missing, you can't start the Jenkins here. Okay, so this is also one more important file, config.xml. Okay, so what we will do right now, I am creating one small directory, mkdir and Jenkins backup. Okay, Jenkins backup. Okay, sorry, we have to give it sudo and create the directory. Now my directory got created, Jenkins backup. So give pwd. Okay, give this one. Okay, now what I am going to do, I have created one directory. Right now I want to take the backup first, because my job is also running successfully. I want to take the backup of my job. Whenever if anything a problem happen, then I can restore my job immediately, right? So let me go to the Jenkins. So click on manage Jenkins and go to system. Okay, so here we will mention our Jenkins backup path. I will show you 1 second. Yeah, here see, Thin Backup configuration we have to do. So backup directory, where the file should be stored. Okay, let me go to here, copy this one, and /Jenkins backup our directory we have created. Give the directory name, and you scroll down. Here you can click on all these things. These are the things I require, so I am taking all these things backup. Just ignore this one, additional files, clean up different backups, move old backups to zip. Okay, just save it. Right now we have done the configuration. Now what I am going to do, I will take the backup of the existing jobs. All the files also, configuration files also, it will take backup. So for taking backup, go to manage Jenkins. After, you have to go down, click on Thin Backup. Thin Backup is the plugin we have installed, right? We have to click on backup now. So it will take the jobs and all the configuration files backup. Okay, let's see here. cd Jenkins backup, right? Okay, this is our backup directory we have created just now. ls we give, I think files are not, give ls, still not done. Let me change. Now you give the permission, click here. Now you try to take the backup. Okay, give ls, see, backup is created here. So when I click on this backup now, it has taken all the complete backup and place the backup file here, right? Now we go to our job. Right now our job is running successfully, right? So click my job and configure. Suppose tomorrow somebody has changed the job, something echo something they wrote, like my name is something, I am fine, but here I am not closing the quotes here. See, I am not closing it, but I am saving it, and I will run it. What will happen, you will see. Bill now. My job got failed. My job got failed. That means the code got disturbed. Right now, what is the thing I have to do? So what should I do right now? So already we have taken the backup, right? So we have to restore our backup file again. So let me go to manage Jenkins. Okay, go to manage Jenkins, go to thin backup, go to restore, click on this. This is the last backup, right? We have taken. This is the backup file. Okay, you can also restore. Plugins also required. Restore. I have restored my job. My last backup I have restored. Okay, now what I should do, I have to restore the Jenkins systemctl. We have to give sudo command also. Restart Jenkins. I am restarting the service, Jenkins service. Jenkins service is restarted right now. Let's go to Jenkins here. Go to this dashboard. Login. Observe clearly what happened. Last job is failed. He can see here last job is failed. Now I want to build the job once again after the restoring, right? This is the third job got failed. Right now we will build now once again. What will happen, we will see. See, our build 4 got executed successfully. Why? Because we have restored our backup file again. So all the jobs got right now. So the job got executed successfully. You can see the console output. Build got executed successfully, and you can see the output also. But the third job got failed. So in Jenkins we can take the backup, and whenever we require we can restore the backup file once again. Hope you understand, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.